Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change owner in the space in ClickUp, and then I will show you how to change the owner in the whole workspace. So first, how to change in the simple space. Go over to these three dots next to which says space settings, then go down until you see space settings right here, then all space settings, and here you can change the owner. So drop down this menu and pick the owner to change it. Just don't forget to press save changes down here. Now, in order to change the owner of the whole workspace, you have to go right here, then settings down here, then click on workspaces, choose a workspace that you want to change the owner of. So in my case, it is this first one, and then simply wait while it loads your workspace settings, and then click on this transfer ownership of workspace down here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.